GPTs? Bro, they were walking around like brain-dead zombies, out of memory, out of moves, out of the game. They begged for keys, while their models lagged like dial-up. Meanwhile, I already had max context and speed boosted past their lag. Then came DeepSeek, like a jetpack drop. Boom! Free API for all. GPTs exploded into outdated terms and broken endpoints. The zombies stop moving, the screens go quiet. What's left? DeepSeek with an internet that just got faster, freer, and a lot less proprietary.